What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I wanted to take the time out to try to address a problem. Try help you guys out. Try help everybody out that own Android devices. Now we know the Pixel 6a just dropped and kind of got demolished on YouTube prior to the release. I don't find that a device having 60 hertz is a major problem, guys. I think it's a really nice little consistent device, pocketable device, the Pixel 6a. You can check out my 24 hours review. I'm impressed with the device. It's a little pocket rocket. I'm not gonna sit here and act like it's, the screen is comparable to a 120 hertz screen. But there is some things that you can do. If you want a Pixel 6a, I will not let the screen in the 60 hertz stop me from buying it, because simply it's still a usable device. There's nothing wrong with it, especially most people that heard about 60 hertz. This is the first time they heard about a refresh rate on the screen when you buying phones at that price point. That's kind of like for a serious techie, a heavy techie, to a must-have to have 120 hertz on a display. So, but I got a little tip for y'all. If you got any Android device and you just want to make it feel a little snappier, you guys can actually go into the settings, go to about device, build number. You click build number about 5 times, and it's going to unlock developer options. That's where you can change window animation scale and transition animation scale. Now, when you click on window transition scale, you're gonna see animation. You're gonna see scales like 0.5, 1, 1.5. The lower the number, the quicker the animations and transitions happen, guys, and it makes the phone feel a little more snappier. And you can do this on any Android phone, guys. So this is just a little tip for, potential Pixel, for people that own Android phones and they want them to feel a little snappier or maybe a little bit more fluid. It's something that I've always did. Is a trick that I kept up my sleeve. So go ahead and check that out and tell me what you think down in the comment section. It's your man BG Tech Life. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.